Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your error. So if you receive error on your iPhone, Face ID is not available, try setting up Face ID later. So how you can fix it? So first thing you need to try, just might force restart on your phone. So just tap on high volume button, then after on low volume button, and just press and hold power button. So just keep holding this button until you will see black screen. So let's wait until we will see black screen. So now just wait some seconds and just release your finger from power button, and now we need to see Apple logo, so it means that we successfully made force restart. So let's wait until our system will load. Mostly it helps, but if you still have this issue with Face ID, so I will show to you what thing you can also try again. So you just need another thing if you have still this issue. So just try to clean your camera. So just clean here your camera. So but do it really properly, and just mm, try to clean your camera, because sometimes it can be damaged by some things, and also it could cause some bad images, and it won't recognize your face. So you just need to clean here, and if you still have this error, so just try to unlock your phone, just open the settings, and in the settings you need to find Face ID and passcode, so just open it. So now just write your passcode, and here you will see reset Face ID. So just tap on reset Face ID and just add new Face ID. So this is the way how you can fix it. And the latest thing you need to know that if you want to unlock your phone with Face ID, you just need to do it in portrait. So do not choose landscape, because when you choose landscape, it won't recognize your face. So just use your phone in portrait and you won't have errors. So this is the way how you can fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.